everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I will be guiding you through how to reset your Frollo account's password. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Every time you open up your Frollo application and choose Sign In, you will then be prompted to enter your email along with your password. Sometimes there might be times when you forget the password you are supposed to type in. So in that case, simply go ahead and find the reset link right next to Forgot Your Password on the page, and then on the next page, enter the registered email for your Frollo account. Once done, tap on Reset Password. A password reset email will be sent to you. Open up the email inbox on a web browser or with the help of the application and open up the email received from Frollo. Tap the Reset Password button and select one of the web browsers from the list, and you will then see this pop up where you can enter a new password. Type in the new password and re-enter it again in the next field, and finally tap on the Change Password button. Once you've reset your password, you can now get back to the Frollo app and log in using your newly created password in the login page. And you have successfully reset to a new password for Frollo. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.